Okay, what's the difference between this and this? Over here, you see that the unknown is at the base. Over here, you see the unknown. The unknown is at the power. Over here, the unknown is at the base. So it's easier to solve at here. So, do you know how to solve this? Standard mode 3 already, right? So y square minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Then I continue to solve for my y. So what's my y? Huh? So far so good? So y equals to what? Or y equals to negative 1. Now can I hashtag here? Is this my final answer? No, right? Because I want to solve for x. So how do I solve for x? Sub back the yellow substitution, sub back the yellow substitution that you have created. Y equals to 2 to the power x. So I'll put back 2 to the power x to replace the y. So this is 2 to the power x equals to 5. This is 2 to the power x equals to negative 1. Reject for which one? Negative 1. Do you know why? Do you know why reject negative 1? Because something to the power x cannot be negative. Not exactly. Now you need to know why you want to reject negative 1. Look at this. Do you know how to continue next? Dexter, how do I continue next? Do I want the x to come down? Don't want. Okay, 2 to the power of x is equals to 5. Can 5 be changed into 2 to the power of something? No. Unlikely, right? So the only way to do is to use logarithm, right? So in order I can use logarithm, what must I do before the x can come down? Add what? Add log on both. Still remember that? So it looks something like that. Do you still remember this? That means I can add log base 10 on both sides. And then what happened to the x now? Can it come to the front? Can, right? So x log 2 is equals to log 5. And x log 2 itself is a number. So I can bring the number over as in divide. So x will be equals to, and it will be 3sf over here. So far clear? How about the other side? I also want to do something like my log 2 equals to log 5, right? So I try to add a log, but when I add a log, what happened? Can I log negative 1? Cannot. So over here, I reject because is this okay? Because log negative 1 itself, there's no solution. So that's why you reject. Tiffany? So in the exam, there's no need to explain why you reject, but now you know why you reject the negative 1. Because there's no solution when you press log negative 1. So far okay? Okay?
So exam not to write.
Don't have to. Just reject will do. Can Same base. So the question is, can I really convert them into same base? If yes, then no need logarithm, just same base will do. What's the base that you want to use? Base 3. So let's try. So 3 to the power of p, 3 to the power of square, times 3 to the power of 3p. Can I then combine the right hand side together? So Irfan, combine means power is plus or times? Plus. So this is 3 power p. So same base, can I say that the power are the same? Right, power same, right? So quite easy already. So I stop here. Then you continue the rest to find p. Right, can you try the one here? Can you convert into the same base? Why are you stuck? You are stuck because of the 2x plus 2. Okay, 2x plus 2, do you split them? No. How do you put them inside then? Split, how do you see? What do you see? 2, 2x times 2 power 2, 2x times 25. Can you now put the substitution things inside? So what will we write? Y square 4 equals to 25y. Is it easy now? How do I then solve? Use what? A plus b, a minus b, no. B square minus 4ac also no. Bring over. Bring over as in minus or divide? Minus. How do I continue? Mode 3, okay. But you just factorize, then you will see the answer already, isn't it? What can you factorize? Y. Can see answer already? So y equals to what? 0. Or y equals to 25 over 4, right? The answer key is wrong. Oh, answer key correct. Wrong. But we are not looking for y, right? We are looking for x. So what should I do? No, what should I do after this step? Should I replace the x back? I replace. So 2 to the power of x equals to 0. 2 to the power of x equals to 25 over 4. Easy already? Can I press log 0? Can ah? What is log 0? Really ah? Huh? Log 0 equals to error. So log 0 is error ah. So if log 0 is error, then what happened to the left hand side? Reject, right? There's no answer already because log 0 is error ma. The right hand side, can you solve the logarithm already? Matthew, what's the next step for right hand side? No. Do you see the log coming in? Matthew, why do I add log on both sides? To bring down the x. I add log because my x then can come down. Once my x can come down, then I can divide the number over. Agree? Are you all following? Yeah, wrong lor. What's the answer? 2.64. 2.6.